Okay, so this is going to be a quick video of how to change a upvc cylinder lock. Now it's fairly easy to do this, but a lot of people call someone in and they get charged 50 to 250 just for changing a lock. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do it yourself. Sorry to all the locksmiths that might be losing a bit of money from this video. Okay, so first what you want to do is, there's a screw here that you just need to take out.
Just take out that screw.
Then what you're going to do is you're just going to take the lock out. You put your key in and then just turn it a little, ever so slightly, to take the lock out. So now the lock's out, and then you measure for the new lock. So get a tape measure or a ruler. From the spindle hole going to the edge of the handle, it's round about 45 millimeters, and then do the other side, because you get a variety of sizes with locks. And again round about 45 again. Okay, so now I know I need to get a 45 by 45 millimeter lock, and here is the lock, 45 by 45 millimeters wide. Okay, so I've taken the 45 by 45 millimeter lock out. You just pull it in where the old cylinder used to be, wiggle it in a bit, make sure this part is straight, pull it in, wiggle it in. Okay, and to secure it, put the handles up and you can lock it as well, so now it won't move too much. Okay, and then you just get the screw that you took out previously, pull it in, screw it back in, and then that is literally the job done. So now you've saved yourself a bit of money and time. Just check that it works. Yep, and it works. Oh, the cat's come out. Okay. Yep, and everything's working. The keys, and that is how you do it yourself. Hey cat.